Ever wondered how AI is truly transforming work, not just assisting, but acting autonomously? From revolutionizing sales outreach with Jeeva AI to securing DevOps workflows with Stakpak Agent, and even supercharging creative design with Snackit, the world of AI is moving beyond simple tools. In this video, we're diving deep into some of the most innovative AI agent projects that are redefining productivity across various industries. We'll explore step-by-step how these intelligent teammates handle complex tasks and why they're absolute game changers.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Jeeva AI, superhuman sales with agentic AI. Today we're exploring Jeeva AI, a cutting-edge agentic AI sales assistant that redefines how sales gets done, from sourcing top-tier leads to having pitch-ready conversations. What makes Jeeva truly unique is its ability to act autonomously like a seasoned sales rep. It finds and enriches leads, crafts personalized outreach across email, LinkedIn, SMS, and even handles follow-ups and objections, all without human micromanagement. With its recent 2.0 upgrade, Jeeva adds powerful new layers. It sorts your inbox smartly, preps you before calls, takes meeting notes, and auto-schedules follow-ups, done in one click. The standout here is its signals feature, which continuously scans real-time data for new buying signals, identifies emerging decision-makers, and adjusts campaigns on the fly, so outreach is always timely and relevant. Jeeva's interface has also been designed for flexibility. You describe your ideal lead or pitch in natural language, and the AI builds a full end-to-end campaign. No templates, no juggling tools, just pure execution. It's a stark contrast to traditional platforms that require sales reps to manage dashboards, sequences, and CRM entries manually. Jeeva does the work, not just tracks it. Real-world metrics back it up too. Users report up to 90% reduction in time spent on prospecting, personalized outreach that feels human, and dramatic boosts in pipeline. One team doubled their qualified leads in just 30 days. In short, Jeeva isn't another tool. It's your agentic AI teammate that handles the grunt work while you close the deals. Project number 2, Stakpak Agent, the secure AI-powered DevOps agent in your terminal. We're exploring Stakpak Agent, an AI-driven DevOps assistant built in Rust that runs directly in your terminal. What makes Stakpak stand out is its enterprise-grade security-first architecture combined with powerful DevOps automation. Unlike typical AI tools that leak secrets or crash on real infra, Stakpak uses mutual TLS, 2PASE, to secure every internal communication, along with a dynamic secret redaction system, so your tokens and passwords never get exposed, even to the AI itself. Beyond security, Stakpak is smart about your infrastructure. It indexes your existing Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker files, and cloud configs, learning your environment so its suggestions and ISE code are context-aware, not generic copy-paste. You ask it to deploy my app on Minikube or audit our IAM policies, and it not only understands your setup, but also streams real-time updates and logs, so you're always in control. Plus, it has instant cancel commands, so runaway builds or misconfigured scripts don't annihilate your systems. It operates via a terminal-native TUI or CLI, accessible in local or remote mode via an MCP server. It's fully open source under Apache rules, with code written in Rust, meaning it's portable, auditable, and ready for enterprise workloads. The community on Product Hunt confirms it's the first AI DevOps agent that doesn't compromise on security or context, and it already automates cloud cost insights, incident resolution, IAM auditing, containerization, and more, all from your shell. In short, if you're a DevOps engineer craving AI that's secure, knowledgeable, and genuinely helpful in real-world workflows, Stakpak Agent is a game changer. It transforms your terminal into an intelligent ops partner, handling gritty tasks, managing infra, and letting you focus on what really matters. Project number 3, Snackit, Save, Organize, and Remix AI-generated images with a click. We're exploring Snackit, a one-of-a-kind AI agent built into Snack Prompt that transforms how you capture, organize, and reuse visual inspiration. What makes this tool genuinely unique is its seamless integration between browsing and creating with zero friction. When you're browsing AI chats or image-heavy websites, you simply hover, Click to save any image, and voila, it gets instantly added to your personal Stakpak board. But it doesn't stop at saving images. Stakpak goes a step further by analyzing the visuals you've collected and automatically generating high-level prompts that match their style, theme, and aesthetic. This means you don't need to struggle crafting your own prompt. Stakpak does the heavy lifting by synthesizing image patterns into text you can reuse with ChatGPT, Gemini, or any imaging LLM. Another standout feature is its smart organization system. You can categorize images into boards, like mood boards, style references, or inspiration collections, keeping your creative process clean and intuitive. And because everything is saved in the cloud, it's accessible no matter where you are, ensuring your visual vault is always at hand. What truly sets Stakpak apart is how effortlessly it bridges the gap between visual discovery and AI generation. In one click, you're not only saving images, you're unlocking the ability to replicate their magic in new creations. Whether you're designing a logo, concept art, or social media visuals, this AI agent empowers creators to stay in flow and iterate rapidly. So for your next video, highlight Stakpak is an AI agent that turns saved images into reusable, smart prompts. One click to capture, organize, and generate, supercharging visual workflows without interrupting your creative momentum. Project number 4, Pagy. Build stunning, responsive websites with drag-and-drop simplicity. We're spotlighting Pagy, a next-generation, ultra-lightweight website builder that brings drag-and-drop design to anyone, even if you've never touched a line of code. What makes Pagy truly unique is how it combines simplicity, performance, and freedom into one sleek package. With pre-designed Lego-style blocks like cards, image galleries, forms, and maps, you simply customize and arrange them to build anything from a personal bio page to a polished business site, all within minutes. But Pagy goes further than most no-code builders by delivering fully optimized responsive websites with zero bloat. Your images automatically compress for fast loading, icons are bundled from a curated 3,000 icon library, and embeds like tweets or maps load instantly while matching your site's style. Plus, you can connect custom domains even on the free plan. That means you're not stuck with a subdomain. Your site looks professional from the start. Another standout feature is Pagy's no account needed creation flow. Want to test it out? Just go to the site, build your page, and publish. No sign-up hurdles in between. When you're ready, you can save it to collaborate or add custom code. For solo creators, entrepreneurs, or marketers who want to get online fast without steep learning curves or hidden fees, Pagy's free tier is unbeatable. In this video, we'll walk through building a landing page in under 5 minutes, showing how intuitive the drag-and-drop interface is and how the built pages look and perform. We'll also cover why users are calling Pagy a joy to use, fastest site builder, and remarkable in live testimonials. If you're ready for a no-fuss way to launch beautiful, mobile-ready websites that don't slow you down, Pagy is the tool you'll want to check out. Project number 5, 3D Bust Maker. One photo AI sculpting into print-ready 3D bust. I'm introducing you to 3D Bust Maker, an AI-powered tool that converts a single photo into a fully 3D printable bust in just minutes. What makes this tool truly stand out is its astonishing simplicity combined with powerful output quality. While traditional 3D modeling often requires multiple shots, scans, or hours of sculpting, 3D Bust Maker uses advanced AI algorithms, 3D Nova, to analyze just one image and generate a detailed mesh optimized for 3D printing. Another unique feature is its ready-to-print optimization. The tool automatically cleans up the mesh, ensures watertight geometry, and delivers files in popular formats like STL and GLB, so you can hit print immediately, no manual cleanup required. That means creators, hobbyists, and gift makers can go from idea to physical bust without needing any 3D editing skills. Speed is also a game changer here. Most platforms take hours or days, but this service promises high-quality busts in just a few minutes, perfect for rapid prototyping or last-minute gift ideas. And don't worry about complexity. It's as easy as upload, preview, download. The user-friendly drag-and-drop interface ensures anyone can use it, even without 3D experience. The project has already gained buzz on Product Hunt, with users calling it a game changer and praising how it does in moments what used to take scans or modeling tools days to complete. In short, 3D Bust Maker is unique because it fuses single photo input, automated print-ready output, and lightning-fast generation, all wrapped in an easy interface. If you're looking to create personalized busts effortlessly, this is the AI tool you've been waiting for. Project number 6, Maestro, your brain-powered AI agent for serious data workflows. We're exploring Maestro by AI21 Labs, a powerful AI agent platform that stands out thanks to its dynamic planning, self-validation, and transparent execution. What really makes Maestro unique is that it doesn't just chat. It strategically breaks down tasks into action steps at runtime, adapting as it goes to hit your goals while keeping within budget and quality constraints. Instead of blasting out a single LLM prompt, Maestro builds a plan, executes it, scores the results, and iterates until all your explicit requirements are met. This isn't basic prompt engineering, it's inference time planning. Maestro builds and explores a tree of possible solutions using techniques like best of n and generate and fix, then evaluates which paths are working and doubles down on them. That intelligent orchestration is a game changer for reliability. Plus, it validates outputs continuously, giving you confidence with detailed scoring and feedback reports. Another standout is the visual execution graph. Maestro shows you exactly which steps it took, where decisions were made, and how confident it was at each stage. Perfect for audits, debugging, or explaining what your AI agent did. And since it learns from your environment, it automatically customizes retrieval and reasoning strategies to fit your data and tools. In essence, Maestro isn't just smart, it's trustworthy and transparent. You get AI that plans, self-corrects, and shows its work. Whether you're summarizing huge data sets, automating compliance workflows, or building complex info pipelines, Maestro turns high-stakes, multi-step tasks into reliable outputs with full visibility. If you're serious about building reliable AI agents for real-world use, this is exactly the platform to highlight in your toolkit. Project number 7, BrainMax, your contextual AI super app to end AI sprawl. We're exploring BrainMax from ClickUp, a true AI game changer that stands out because it knows your work and speaks your voice. What makes it unique isn't just AI, it's contextual intelligence. BrainMax connects to all your tools, ClickUp tasks, docs, chats, plus external apps like Google Drive, GitHub, Figma, Slack. So it doesn't just answer, it answers with full awareness of your workspace and data. Forget bouncing between ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, copying and pasting. BrainMax is a one-stop AI that houses multiple LLMs, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more, but crucially, it picks the best model for the task dynamically, so you don't have to. It's not just fast, it's smart. Another standout is the talk-to-text voice-first input. Speak naturally, and BrainMax will draft emails, create tasks, assign people, and build content, all on the fly, replacing typing with dictation that's up to 4x faster. That's a major shift for productivity on the go. But the real magic is in AI agents and automation. Configure custom agents, no coding required, that automatically update statuses, assign tasks, send reports, schedule meetings, and fetch answers in chat channels based on your workspace context and triggers. And security? Enterprise-grade privacy means your data stays yours. Third-party providers don't retain or train on it, and BrainMax determines the best AI models without compromising security. In short, BrainMax is unique because it unifies search, voice-driven creation, agentic automation, and multi-parabolic intelligence, all deeply integrated with your own workspace context. It ends AI sprawl by giving you one app that truly understands your work. Project number 8, Brainfork, your personal AI knowledge and decision server. We're spotlighting Brainfork, a fresh and powerful tool that's all about helping you own your AI-driven knowledge in a completely private and secure way. What truly sets Brainfork apart is its capability to become your personal RAG retrieval augmented generation server and decision-making engine, all hosted on your own machine or the cloud within seconds. Instead of feeding your docs into big public AI platforms, Brainfork lets you consolidate scattered knowledge like Notion pages, Obsidian vaults, or PDFs into a unified encrypted knowledge base that only you control. But here's where it gets even cooler. Brainfork isn't just a static repository. You can link it to tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or custom agents, building interactive workflows that intelligently reason over all your stored knowledge. Let's say you want an agent to review your past project plans and suggest strategic next steps. Brainfork powers that, and the AI can even challenge your previous decisions using your historical context. And because it offers zero-knowledge style encryption, only you and anyone you grant access can read your data, ensuring total privacy even in transit or at rest. Unlike typical cloud platforms, Brainfork encourages self-sovereignty. You're not just sending data to someone else's server, you manage it. It's ideal for engineers, researchers, or even creators who need a personal AI assistant grounded in their own expertise. And currently in public beta, early adopters can enjoy a forever free tier, making it simple to experiment and build workflows. To sum up, Brainfork is unique because it combines a secure personal RAG server, seamless AI agent integration, and user-controlled knowledge sovereignty into one neat package. If you value privacy, ownership, and personalized AI, this is a tool you'll definitely want to try. Project number 9, Untitled UI React, the world's largest open-source React plus Tailwind UI library. We're exploring Untitled UI React, a unique toolkit that's redefining how developers and designers build front-end interfaces. What makes Untitled UI stand out isn't just its sheer size, it's a full-blown ecosystem crafted for real-world productivity. Instead of wrangling dozens of libraries, this project gives you 5,000+ ready-made React components, 250+ page examples, and custom CLI starter kits, all built with React Aria, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. First, the source-first philosophy is gold. When you copy and paste components into your app, you actually own that code, no monolithic dependencies or vendor lock-in. You can tweak everything to your heart's content, and accessibility is baked in. React Aria ensures keyboard navigation, screen reader support, and WCAG standards, all bundled out of the box. Now for styling. Tailwind CSS v4.1 powers every component, giving you pixel-perfect utility classes and theme consistency. Want dark mode? It's just a switch. No separate style sheets. The Figma library stays synced, so your design mockups and code are always in harmony. Startup speed is another strong suit. Use their CLI to scaffold a Next.js or Vite project preloaded with everything you need. Choose a brand color, and boom, you've got a fully themed, accessible, production-ready interface. So what truly sets Untitled UI React apart? Its massive component scale, full code ownership, accessibility-first architecture, design code synchronization. If you're building apps or marketing sites and want to skip months of low-level work, this library is a powerhouse that'll speed up your workflow without locking you in. That's the brilliance of Untitled UI. Owned, accessible, synchronized, and scaled, ready to ship. Project number 10, Buildstash. Clean up your build chaos with smart artifact release management. We're spotlighting Buildstash, an AI agent-style platform unlike traditional chatbot tools. It's built to automate and organize build-to-release workflows for software teams, apps, and games. What makes Buildstash truly unique is how it tackles the widespread chaos around build artifacts. Instead of dumping APKs or binaries into random shared folders and manually sharing build numbers over Slack or email, Buildstash creates a centralized, context-aware hub that tracks every build and ties it to your issue tracker, QA tools, and deployment pipelines. So whether you're attaching builds to tickets, sharing with stakeholders, or rolling out versions, everything stays connected and searchable. Another standout feature is its end-to-end release workflow. Buildstash integrates with tools you already use, from Git repos to bug trackers to CI pipelines, and automatically correlates builds with their code, tickets, and QA results. No more guesswork or digging through logs. You can instantly know which build includes which changes and who needs to review it. This not only saves time, but drastically reduces errors and communication breakdowns. You also get fine-grained visibility and collaboration features. Every build has metadata and timelines, so teams can comment, flag issues, or request retests right where the build lives. No tool hopping or lost context. And with a history of past releases always linked, rollback decisions or audit trails become simple and reliable. In short, Buildstash solves a pervasive pain point that developers, QA, and product teams face, managing builds in a chaotic, fragmented way. By offering a smart, integrated artifact management hub with release workflows built in, it ensures that every build from upload to deploy is tracked, transparent, and traceable. If you want to bring order, speed, and accountability to your software releases, Buildstash is exactly the tool that makes release management feel like a breeze. As we've seen from Jeeva AI enhancing sales and Stakpak Agent providing enterprise-grade secure DevOps automation, to Snackit transforming image generation into reusable prompts, and Maestro handling serious data workflows with dynamic planning and more. These aren't just tools, they're intelligent partners enabling you to focus on what truly matters. If any of these AI agents caught your eye, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of work with AI.